They say judgment comes in the end. We say it's here. Judgment Yard is in the house. We've got the stars. What? And we've got the pow.
Big machine or clap, yeah? Conscience I represent to the fullest.
Put your musical ear in. Judgment Yard is in the house.
Yeah, them know say the ninja president Winky there, we are endorse it and me say Judgment Yard. Yeah, you go done them hard.
Yo, what il mega me say, yo, go and big up Irando, the world boss. What them say? Flavor, heavy like leather, never like feather, them for know that. You hear me?
This is Judgment Yard.
Yo, Flavor, them fi know say you live boy flat like a son of Bravia because the blessings them come from the Savior.
See Judgment Yard.
I tell him. In the days, it is alright. But in the nights, that's when the monkeys come out. Welcome people to the thing called Volume 23. The thing tighter than Robin Catholic. Nah, trust me, man. This is the most favorite sound, your girlfriend's favorite sound. Even the Christian and the whole of them people, they know this is George Maynard. Alright, Buzzing, ready, me them can't tell us, don't swag that the AK shot, Buzz alongside Welcome Flavor, and this is how we do it. We ain't going anyway, we right here. Web call!
Lock off, somebody, yeah.
Refrigeration.
Ooh, yeah.
And air conditioning.
My sound is a winner. My sound and no beginner. Well, I know sound why when you cross before. And the wrong sound, this you go come in.
Easy, bossy.
Lock them down.
Right.
Should I never try test my sound. Lock them down.
Easy selector. Under lock and key, the thing called lock them down. Trust me, this is your cure for the lockdown thing. Man can't party alone right now. It's all about man online. Run the track.
Lock off, somebody. Oh, yeah. My sound is a winner. My sound and no beginner. Well, I know sound why when you cross before. And the wrong sound, this should not come in. Lock them down. Should I never try test my sound. Lock them down. Bury we go bury them under the ground. We lock them down. Talk you a talk, but we say you a clown. Lock them down.
Talk up me with me.
We a leave with the crowd.
You know what, yeah?
Say your body when I see it. Say you jump and strong, but you weak. Tell them all of the coffin and the reverse tears. Kelly and the taker just reach. Tell them what's the speech, but it look like staying in a sleep. No, you run up your mouth and tap.
Where we lock them down? We make them feel irate.
Lock them down. Should I never try test my sound. Lock them down. Bury we go bury them under the ground.
Under the one.
Lock them down. Talk you a talk, but we say you a clown. Lock them.
How you feel about that? Yes, bossy.
Rude boys and rude girls.
Rude boy and rude girl. Listen to me song right now.
Sing it if you're feeling happy. Let me hear it from the rude boy passage. All my beautiful ladies. Let me hear you if you're feeling irate. Well, everyone, it is a joy to hear you sing along. This is not a hardcore, this is a pretty song. The Japanese, them said I want a itchy man. You love to give me the one bang, billy bang. Long before Smiley and Michigan, reggae was born and today it's still living on. Reggae fans over a million. If you feel the vibe,
All courtesy.
bring it on. In a make up me have something sipping on.
Web call.
The clouds I'm sitting on. From the left to the right I'm picking on. Participate everyone.
Easy Takuts Webota. Yo, steady show.
You feeling happy.
Keep on Peter Malanga.
From the rude boy passage.
Masiki Ganato.
People the lame have to get up and groove. Now when you hear a rhythm like this, you have to move. Everyone have on them dancing shoes and I jump up like say them hear good news. Traveling for the highway, me a cruise and I listen some sweet reggae music me choose. No distraction can get me.
Reggae music me choose.
Thanks, me no have nothing.
Give thanks.
Massive over here, so and the massive over there, so. And in the ear can the DJ set up.
Sure.
If you come from the suburbs or the ghetto, let me hear everybody voice echo. La 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 la. Sing it if you're feeling happy. La 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 la.
Walk to the powerful circle. Power circle and the whole entourage. Judgment Yard.
I walk 500 miles for you. I cross the ocean wide.
We
for
are
you.
Z.
I'd climb the highest mountain and walk right through the fire and risk it all.
Ready.
What can I say? She blew me away.
Sure.
I weathered the storm, and I wouldn't change nothing about you, no, nothing at all. And when I look in the skies, I realize how beautiful you are, like a sunny day. Hold this moment never end.
London Linky Irando.
I can feel your love, like the wind beneath my wings. I just need your love, I need it beside me. Oh, you bring
London boy.
my life like the star.
God doggo.
That's what you are to me.
Watch how we started.
What can I say?
Hey.
She blew me away. I weather the storm, and I wouldn't change nothing about you, no, nothing at all. And when I look in the skies, I realize how beautiful you are, like a sunny day. Oh, this moment never ends, baby. I walk 500 miles for you. I would. I'd cross the ocean wide for you.
Here we go again.
Yo, busy. You know your brand new Range Rover.
Hey, if you tell me that you want me to stay, I won't go.
She said.
If you tell me that you need me right here, right now, I can love you when it's up, when it's down, I can roll.
Youngster Corner.
So tell me that you want me to stay. I don't wanna say another goodbye, another breakup. I don't wanna cry, and I don't wanna start over again this time around. I don't want it to end. Loving you is great. I must admit that the good.
Team Loyal. One call FBM. First year, $200.
We break up, no,
Yo, Scott.
anyway, hey. If you tell me that you want me to stay, I won't go. If you tell me that you need me right here, right now, I will love you when it's up, when it's down, not come roll. So tell me that you want me to stay. I don't wanna have to get over you, go out again, I miss somebody.
Yeah, man, true love not
I
die.
don't wanna be single right now. Don't wanna mingle. I just wanna be loved. And even though we're here, I must admit that the good outweighs the bad. Baby, you a good nana, and me a good girl. We break up now, the two of we are.
Always the best, not the rest.
If you tell me that you want me to stay, I won't go. If you tell me that you need me right here, make sure.
When you have someone you love, a beautiful thing from the Rastaman them. Judge way on.
Someone, so from the moment I fall, life's not a fall. Cherish the moment. Your love is important. No one above you. That's all about your love.
I'll play the tune for Queen of Hearts.
I told you, I will never desert you, no, no. Just the feeling you bring to my life. So amazing, your beauty is perfect in front of my eyes. Just the loving alone when you touch me, you capture my mind, baby. Me I go love you till the end of time. Everybody needs someone to love. Everybody needs someone to care. Everybody have done.
One can't leave alone.
So everybody have
When she gone, replace them.
Everybody needs someone to love. Everybody needs someone to care. Everybody have done enough. So everybody needs someone.
Easy gangster. This is a hustler's anthem. 2021, JY, for them 23.
Hustle to know.
Hey. Flavor Loud Shot must be big up one of the most prominent and loyal people for Judge Mayor. Yo, Patrizi, it not easy. Success don't fall down like mango or avocado. Run the track.
Bomber drop. Different.
Lion in a Zion. We can't go around it.
I thought on the road me a pray be taken. Oh yeah, from me you them man.
In anything you do, flat foot hustle a dog.
Hustle to know, must belong. How they know not depend by love. We not far, got it all. Happy work hard is a must. Cause me now go home without them.
Dina.
Some things got to give.
Listen me.
No I go home we don't know.
Yo, Eta Tambidi. Listen to Junior.
Me going harder.
Web call them to know said they pan spot like Red Cross. Them do the air conditioning, refrigerator, repairing, and on the spot motor car air conditioning. They up on spot. Them now have to go up and workshop. They just do it there. Ready now. Web call.
Have a different hunger from me. You them burn. As the light out on the road, me a pray be taken.
Boss Webby.
Oh yeah, from me you them burn.
Mama Chipo.
Whoa,
Let go.
Hustle to know, must belong. How they know not depend by love. We ain't apart, I got it all. Happy work hard is a must. Cause me now go home without them dinner. Some things got to give. No me no walk go home without no dinner. My youth them a believe me going harder. Yes, my youth them a feel love them father. Protect them and be there for them mother. Every day them smile be get brother.
Yo, Bioyo.
Oh, they must know.
I run the linking.
Oh, I'll be there. Me want to share. Me and them have to spend enough time. And some my phone, still I go home. Even if I don't have a dime. No, me now won't let my kids know, sir. Some things got to give. Can't be alive and make them suffer. My youth, them have to live me going harder.
Pick up the man them. We take care of them, picnic them.
Harder. Protect them and be there.
So you're leaving, what more can I say?
When them see Judge Bay and Van Foreign,
Have a lovely day.
they want to take a picture. Yo, get to youth, Australia.
Look how much time you say you're leaving and me never did you come.
Sure.
When me an easy girl, you never give me come.
Santana.
But now you want me back again. Do you see me a par with a
Pick
set?
up shotgun.
To treat you so nice, but you never.
Confidence.
Your friend them carry news to you, me no rate that. Girl, me can't go through this again. You walked out,
Put that on the boys.
still and watch me.
I tell them. Well, he come the man go down, talk alongside one, got two, but alongside one, got flavor, alongside one, get to alongside one, scatter them to know, so we are run up the shore. No weapon from negative judge by your shall prosper, or would you bless no man could have case. Tell him, run it proper selection.
We are Z.
I'ma be alright. Tell me, say you're leaving. You tell me, say
Wally.
you're leaving, girl. Say you're leaving, what more can I say? Enjoy your life, girl. Have a lovely day. Yeah.
All right, my girl, when you're gone, Judge Bay and find a replacement. Listen to what you.
Look how much time you say you're leaving and me never did you come back. When me an easy girl, you never give me comfort. But now you want me back again. Do
you. See me apart with a sexy friend. Me used to treat you so nice, but you never appreciate that. Your friend them carry news to you, me no rate that. Girl, me can't go through this again. You walked out in the end, so why you still a watch me? You know I say you want your friend, them a be a
paparazzi.
What's it true you can't find nobody out there fi match me?
Boss too bad.
That's why you still a watch me. You thought I would be unhappy, so you just a watch me. You regret say you catch me. I told you see me move on now. Me and my new friend I get we groove on now. I'm comfortable in whose I'm now. You want to know? I bet you want to know. Alright then, you build fake pages and I try to reach out. Things about me new girl you want to seek out. When me buy yard, when me carry yard, when me gone with yard, when me bar you take it far. So why you still a watch me? You know I say you want your friend them a be a paparazzi.
Lockdown thing.
What's it true you can't find nobody out there fi match me?
Lockdown cure.
You thought I would be unhappy.
He's what's it.
So you just a watch.
Lockdown cure.
You regret say you catch me. You a search, and still you can't find. You a try mash up my peace of mind. Girl, you walked out. What the watching and the peeping and the stalking all about? So why you still a watch me?
Yes,
You know what say you want your friend, them a be a paparazzi.
Easy. Yes, selector. Yes, selector.
in your mind to tell yourself
In a relationship thing. You have to be a perfect gentleman. Kunash, aka Pleasure Manager Pressure.
My brother, read between the lines.
Right.
Time to let her go. You know, see, she's showing you the sign.
Boss Benji, I see you.
She not happy no more. I tell you, separate between the lines. If she don't love you no more, don't you ever think to take her life.
When she fed up.
Go and let her go.
When she fed up.
Last time I checked the ratio at 10 to 1. One leap of woman know them be at 10 to 1. If she says she done, you need to understand. Me know you love her, but you have to love yourself too. Can't believe how I'm hearing. Where's the love for one another? Where's the caring? Me know say love for the woman, them all the daring. But for your life, brother, you control the steering. Now you have to read between the lines. Time to let her go. You know, see, she's showing you the signs. She not happy no more. I tell you, separate between the lines. If she not love you no more, don't you ever think to take her life. If she wants to go, then let her go.
Church way yard.
Every night we watch the news is our next thing. No me not fi watch it cause it a go vexing. Hear him take her life cause he catch her texting. Like the man them gonna want in a them jet ski. Hurt me heart when see the families falling. When them get you, yes, when them talking.
2021. Judge Bayard there to spread love
between the lines.
among the people there.
Time to let her go. You know, see, she's showing you the signs. She not happy no more. I tell you, separate between the lines. If she don't love you no more, don't you ever think to take her life. If she wants to go, then let her go. Let her go, let her go. Let her go, let her go. Let her when the bright lights start to fade.
We not believe in funds.
Your lighter.
We believe in family. So all Judge Bayard family.
Make me feel light.
Let me see some lighter right now.
You make me feel
Lighter in the air. Wherever you are in the lockdown thing. Let go.
When you want to mission sing up. Like you want my empress bring roll like a jam can't tire. Endless loving and it can't expire. How say that I never answer prayer.
you know, sir, you have the loving for me body when you hold me. And if you call me, we come. Baby, me now let her go. Love is like a seed and you reap what you sow. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter. Don't know with the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel light.
Way back.
Girls jump up to this.
Girls down. Non-stop to give something to the woman them. Yo, Young K. Yo, Wookie, this how you tune them.
Me all walk like a champion. Talk like a champion.
Right. Well, in this battlefield, there's a certain way you have to walk and there's a certain way you have to talk. I will tell you straight up that you're a champion because you can survive all above all obstacles in a 2020 and in a 2021. Get to you, stay strong and stay firm because this is a war right now.
We are Z.
Biological war. Man against the mad scientist. Let go.
Girls jump up to this. Non-stop turn and twist. God of His mercy.
Buju. Art school.
Me all walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Girl, let me in, me have the thing where you are waiting. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, how where you get it from? Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Girl, let me in. Why? But you would be more than that to take your hand and lead you to the promised land. Me 20-foot dive and all you got to do is me true, so let's go respond. Satisfy your emotion. At a for the press, instantly she wet. She no hold and tongue and she no got time no rust. Skin smooth and precious like she never get a cut. One son to expand, I've got to all and pull up. Giddy up me, I forget to is a mouse. Think I'll walk like a champion, like a champion. What a piece of money, can tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, me everything. But enough man at all, you no look for them way. You look good, you not forget no matter what a girl say. Put on your clothes, it's like a display. Man, I steer and I steer mound.
It don't matter what they say, you're a champion.
My only and the woman lay. With a girl just smile on her face and say she want a man for do the work, not one for play. A marathon man, she says she want one for stay.
Why?
I walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, round up a
Because of you, I put my heart in a freezer with a sign, do not touch.
Don't touch.
And another sign when say don't come close, and a big, big sign, no love. Why did you call me? Why did you text my phone? Couldn't you leave me? I was doing better on my own.
Yeah.
I let you back into my life and you really messed me
You
up.
know you don't forget about the touch and see them way.
And I knew I shouldn't do it, but you kept who you love.
So she no good at me, I tell you this again.
You hurt me many, many, many times and still I tried.
Still I
And I
try.
don't know why. Why do I love you like I love you? Why? When I know you don't deserve it. Why? When you hurt
Why?
me and I don't.
You got busy and Christopher Martin.
Why are you always on my mind? Why do I miss you all the time? Why am I lost when I'm without you and I don't need you?
Easy DJ Flip alongside Shot
Then you
Bass.
come back, then we touch and then you gone.
Sure.
Done with you this time, done with you this time. She never serious, still an
I
escalate.
look for a new girl right now.
Done with you this time, done with you this time. Say me tired of the fussing and the drama. You never see me, shall I do that to a bomber? Me and you together is a disaster. Can why you don't just love me, make me prosper. Sing and make she feel sarcasm.
I let her back into my life and she really messed me up.
Had a chance and she ruined it.
And I knew I shouldn't do it, but you can't help who you
Your selector. When me down we are.
and you hurt me many, many,
They
many
look for me dream love.
times.
They look for me dream love. Wow.
Love, yeah. One that I've been dreaming of. Give you a ring, my everything, and put you above. You're my lover.
Redeem. Right, selector. Yeah, but selector, me don't know. Some girl are coming at me yard, them say them are empress, them say them are princess. But one thing me know as a judge me yard, man, me know say that's a devil in a dress. Run the track.
Always and forever.
Now this is what I call good music. So good, You'll want to eat it.
Yes, I know.
I couldn't agree more.
Together.
We are Z.
This is true. Don't worry, baby. Don't worry, baby.
JY.
You're my lover, 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 love. Yeah, the one that I've been dreaming of. Give you a ring, my everything, and put you above. You're my lover, 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 love. Girl, the one that I've been dreaming of. Oh, you got me, Cupid shot me. So get ready, me I go kill you with love. Oh, I've tried this love thing so many times, I'm tired. Always coming across some tricksters and some liars. But somehow you manage to make me feel inspired. Girl, you make my icebox, yes, you turn it into fire. Love, 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 yeah. One that I've been dreaming of.
Easy web call.
If you a ring, my everything, and put you above. You're my lover, 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 love. Girl, the one that I've been dreaming of. Oh, you got me, Cupid shot.
Yes, Boss Boogie. Bebeto Wagwad.
You not like them other girls. Royal, listen number one. Must confess, you're the best. I don't know how you do it. You're cool with it, you're not out loud, but somehow you stand out in the crowd. Save your loving for me. Save this loving for you. Didn't see this coming, neither did you. Never separating, we'll make it through.
D Major.
Hard times, I got
Judge Bayard artist.
baby, you know.
Rim of the crowd.
You know.
Love is God and God is love.
You're my lover, 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 yeah. One that I've been dreaming of. Give you a ring, my everything, and put you above. You're my lover, 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 lover.
Baba drop. Run for cover. Yeah, man. You have to give thanks for life. And let me tell you this straight. Above all obstacles that could have come in your life, one thing you have to know, say you have to stay alive. Them could have buried you, but you are still alive. You are unconquerable. Why? Because you are Judge Bayard family. Run that Mojo Star. They can't stop you. Your boss too bad, too mellow. Chief Z, Chief of Strategy.
I was buried alive, but I'm still breathing.
Yes, that boy.
I don't know what tomorrow may bring.
Pretty boy Breezy.
I am alive. There must be a reason.
Lord good.
Was given one more chance. My heart still beats. Buried alive, but I'm still breathing. I don't know what tomorrow may bring, but I got a feeling. Oh, I am alive. There must be a reason. I was given one more chance. My heart still beating.
Listen up on ya.
Now all this time,
Sure.
I've been blind.
Sure.
Only running against the wind.
Right. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Wheel it, DJ Flavor, the people them feeling. JY. Going out straight to you and you know it.
I was buried alive, but I'm still breathing. I don't know what tomorrow may bring, but I got a feeling. I am alive. There must be a reason. I was given one more chance. My heart still beating. Buried alive, but I'm still breathing. I don't
only running against the wind.
From prison to be a millionaire.
Pass with time.
Gargamel.
After living a life of sin, many give up, many give in. It's my determination to win.
Reggae.
I survived the worst of times. I survived. I was buried alive, but I'm still breathing. I don't know what tomorrow may bring, but I got a feeling. Alright, now I am alive. There must be a reason. I was given one more chance. My heart's still beating. Oh, they made a ditch for one, but there would be two in their attempt to hold my
Zimbabweans.
the wicked things they do.
All around the world.
But Jamaica, I brave, and I don't brave. Oh no, the Lord is my son.
We are survivors.
To whom shall I say?
Judge me on.
I was buried alive, but I'm still breathing. I don't know what tomorrow may bring, but I got a feeling.
Yeah, man. Trust me, Father, 2020 was a very painful year. We lost one of our comrades, one of our bosses, named called Genius Kadungure, aka Genius Mr. Shampopo. Genius, anywhere you there, rest in peace. A moment of silence for the one called Jinibi. Gone, but not forgotten. Run the track. Rest in peace. The legend that left a legacy.
Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Ra! We link up the one girl conquer alongside Chrissa. Turn up on the speaker. Wow, 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 wow.
Put it on speaker.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Put it on squeeder.
Tell them. It seems like just yesterday we were jamming with friends on a bright sunny day. But now you're gone far away. But it's so hard to find the right.
Up to the Mr. Lamborghini.
Cause I still can't believe that you're gone. Which day that passes without
Ferrari, not Rari.
But me have to stay strong. Cause deep in my heart your memory lives on.
Hey, dreams.
When it's all said and done, family's all that we got. A straight love and unity. No, we can't forget that.
He's awesome.
Think on nothing, you always had my back. All the good times we shared are forever.
Turn it up.
Been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Shadow. Like the man said, ugly boys pay the bills. Who don't love things? Yeah, man. Like the man say, I am a citizen of Zimbabwe. Yeah, man, rest in peace, Jimmy. You spin that one for the boss who gone. See the legends that left a legacy. Run track style. No one but Judge Bayard.
I just want you close.
I just want you close.
Where you can stay forever.
Forever.
You can be so.
You can be so.
And it will only get better.
If you only
You and me together.
together.
Through the days and nights.
Day and night.
I don't worry 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking. They can say what they like.
Say what they
and Sis Red. Everything's gonna be alright. Web call. Easy boss Webby. This is my promise to the girl them.
I am yours now. From this moment on, take my hand. Only you can stop me shaking.
Nice and easy.
We'll share forever.
Easy and nice.
This I promise you. And when I look in your eyes, all of my life flashed before me. And I'm not running anymore, 'cause I already know I'm home. With every beat of my heart, give you my love completely, yeah. My darling, this I promise you.
Romantic gangster.
My love, oh my love, I can feel your heartbeat as we dance now, closer than before, yeah. Don't let go, don't let go, 'cause I could almost cry now, yeah. This is forever.
Not time for like war. And this is forever.
Fell to you. And when I look in your eyes, all of my life flashed before me. Oh, nah. And I'm not running anymore, 'cause I already know I'm home.
Me not run like wounded dog.
With every beat of my heart, I give you my love completely. My darling, this I promise you. My darling,
Rest in peace, Mama Richie.
I promise.
Definition. Definition of love.
Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, yeah.
You know what's the time right now?
Look at you, you look at me. You tell me you ain't feeling butterflies. It's obvious, got some chemistry. I know that I feel so right. Well, I wanted so long to know. Now you're telling me you gotta let it go. I took a start on.
Turn up the sound system.
I never thought this day would come. This is something that I wanted in my life. I realized that you're the one. Telling me it's time to say goodbye. What's in my heart ain't gonna change, so it shouldn't be so easy.
Too much power.
That's not pretty.
Okay.
I don't know what love is. Maybe I'm a fool.
Say what?
Know what I'm feeling, and it's all because of you. Don't tell me I don't know. I want the truth.
You know what, yeah.
Stay on it.
Zimbabwe. The pirates of the Caribbean.
His gifts to mankind.
Give thanks to my judgment in control.
City, I'm just visiting. I'm just pillaging the villages. I see two pretty diamonds that I want. I know they're gonna give it up. Beautiful girls are my treasure. Looting their hearts is my pleasure. I've sailed across the 7 seas, yeah, but this is my territory.
Instagram model.
Cause I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. Yeah, I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. Yeah. And I'm as sharp as a blade anytime I crusade. I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. But slicker than Jack Sparrow, me rougher than Blackbeard. And my style them borrow from Henry Morgan days. But I put Royal where they ship them down. Them know what trouble from the seals them black. But when them see this skull and bone pon that, from the
All massive.
I go launch and I talk. I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. Yeah. And I'm as sharp as a blade anytime I crusade. I'm a pirate.
Starboy.
Pirate of the Caribbean.
Under the lock and key. Yeah.
Sail across on the 7 seas. My riches go to infinity. All these girls are in love with me. My crew will never switch. I'm the captain of this, so I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. Yeah. And I'm as sharp as a blade.
Yeah, man, above all, this is a Rastaman sound, and this Rasta sound is there to uplift the people and make sure that the people life is worth living. So live on a life in a judgment way. Africa, Zimbabwe, we tour the world. Just touch down from Santon. Big up the one, them figure confidence. Killer Kicks, run the track. I told them we have no behavior.
I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest.
Well, boss.
I'm that little bit of hope. When my back against the ropes, I can feel it.
This is how we do it. We are the world greatest.
Yes. I am the mountain. I am the tall tree. Oh, I am the swift wind sweeping the country. I am a river down in the valley. Oh, I am a vision. I can see clearly. If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look him in the face and say, I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest.
Great.
I'm that little bit of hope. When my back against the ropes, I can feel it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest. I am a giant. I am an eagle. Oh, I am a lion down in the jungle. I am a mountain band. I am the people. Oh, I am an helping hand.
Reggae music. Nice and easy. Easy and nice.
If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look him in the face and say, I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest. I'm that little bit of hope. When my back against the ropes, I can feel it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest.
Judge where you are, dog.
I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak
story.
Why are we wasting time and all you wasted crying when you should be with me instead?
With a West Time, baby.
And treat you better. You feel girl.
Mama Foshberry.
I'll stop time for you. Full stop. The second you say you'd like me too. Just let me know, girl. I just wanna give you the loving that you're missing, baby. Just to wake up with you. Would be everything I need, and this could be so different. Tell me what you wanna do. I know I can treat you better than he can. Any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Why are we wasting time?
Reminder. No, if it's it, woman.
Instead, I know I can treat you better.
Chocolate and Rose. Big up DJ Squad. Reggae.
Baby girl, a long time now you should have leave me. Tell me you're not tired of the earth.
Hey, Gigi.
Physically and mentally.
Power with influence.
Come and make you this and only way you need. 24/7 in the spark we fight.
Hey.
Stop stress you out each and every night.
Hey.
You need a real man who I got treat you right. Step on the now, listen.
Georgie, man.
Treat you better than he can. A pretty girl like you deserves a gentleman. Why are we wasting time and all you wasted crying when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better, baby.
Sure. That's a nice selector flavor. Some girl are coming and me and them say them a princess, them a empress, but little do we know them a devil in a dress. So right about now we reach out to the original Zimbabwean girl who know say she loyal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. None of them man can go in your something. And one man you want in your life. Island girl.
Special dedication. Give me island girl. To all my ladies. From the island. Give me island girl.
It's Zimbabwean girl. Straight from the Caribbean. Yo, Angel.
Me need a island girl in my life to bring that sunshine.
I
Special dedication.
I tell them.
Island girl to all my ladies. From the island.
JY baby.
Me island girl any day. Me need a island girl in my world to bring that sunshine love to me. I need a island girl in my world to make my dreams a reality. Me need a island girl in my world to bring that sunshine love to me. Me need a island girl. She are the one for me. Breakfast in bed, yeah, me like that. Me say you want go the beach, she say why not? One mango fish here, couple red stripe beer, and that she have in the backpack. So me know say me dey on the right track. Anything me do, me know say she have me back.
She have me back.
Sometimes she say she got that mother tell
in a little cottage.
Me need a island girl in my world to bring the sunshine love to me. I need a island girl in my world to make my dreams a reality. Me need a island girl in my world to bring the sunshine love to me. I need a island girl. She are the one.
Reggae.
Sundown, me no feel like for go up on the town. She says she not gonna leave me alone. She prefer spend a little time with the family. She not inna the hype and the vanity. She no need no makeup, now go bed with lipstick. Anytime of night, any problem she fix it. Even if a little tea with a biscuit.
She'll fix every problem. Listen me.
The island girl in my world to bring the sunshine love to me. I need a island girl. A la 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 love. A la 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 love.
Right.
Standing across the room, I saw you
smile.
Said I wanna talk to you for a little
while.
before I make a move, my emotions start running wild. Oh gosh, my tongue gets tied.
Somebody stop me.
That's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes.
Bad man no coward, bad man is not shy. Bad man approach the woman straight like 12 o'clock. Run the track.
I've been watching you. La 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 lom, la 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 lom 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 lom. Ooh yeah. La 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 lom, la 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 lom.
Yes, Massive.
Standing across the room, I saw you smile. Yes, smiling girl. I said I wanna talk to you for a little while. But before I make a move, my emotions start running wild. Oh gosh, my tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes.
I'm looking in your
big brown eyes. Ooh, yeah.
After tonight, this is what we want to do.
Girl, I wanna make you
sweat. Hey.
Sweat till you can't sweat no more.
No more.
And if you cry out, I'm gonna push you some.
Put it on speaker, put it on squealer, put it on judgment, put it.
We are Z.
I've been watching.
I told her.
La 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 lom, la 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 lom 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 lom. Ooh yeah. La 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 lom, la 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 lom 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 lom. Standing across the room, I saw you smile.
Smile.
Said I wanna talk to you
for a little while.
But before I make a move, my emotions start running wild. Oh gosh, my tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes.
I'm looking in your
big brown eyes. Ooh yeah, got this to say to you. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more.
Listen me, baby.
And if you cry out,
I'm gonna put you some. Put it in.
Girl, I wanna make you sweat,
sweat, sweat,
sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry,
champagne daddy, champagne papi.
push it some more. La 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 lom,
la 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 la. Yo, power cycle, let me know what you.
La 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 lom, la 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 lom.
Red.
No time to ask, does she love me or not? God is dead, don't know that love is his to get. Oh, with a little bit of this,
yeah.
I'm gonna come for my shot to try. But my tongue gets tied. That's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes. I'm looking in your big brown eyes. Ooh, yeah.
Six-pack DJ, Remo, big up yourself.
Yes, girl, I wanna make you sweat.
Sure.
Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry,
Big dollar.
I'm gonna push it.
For Spencer, the motor action massive.
Girl, I wanna make you sweat. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry,
come in, Papa Lotta, and the bad boy team.
some more. La 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 lom. La 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 lom 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 lom. La 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 lom. La 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 lom lom. Nice things and girls. Treat her like diamonds and pearls. Say to all the girls around the world. I'm sorry when I'm shaggy with the combination.
Nice and easy. Easy and nice.
Flip this one on your musical disc.
Angel. Instagram friend them. Lego.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby.
Judge Red.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need.
Hear the thing about life right now.
Life is one big party when you're still young.
Sure.
But who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long?
Listen to me.
Looking back at the always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I want
Give the girl attention.
appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby.
that's how you should be treated. Though you never get the loving that you needed. To the left but a call and you heeded. Begged and I pleaded, mission completed. And I said that I and I this the program. Not the type to mess around with your emotion. But the feeling that I have for you is so strong. Been together so long and this could never be wrong.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby.
Girl, instead of my behavior, say I'm a savior.
You must be sent from up above.
And you are
where she come from?
That's a girl I surrender.
Thanks for giving me your love.
Your love.
Instead of my behavior, you are the savior.
You must be sent from up above.
And you appear to me so tender. Well, girl, I surrender.
Even 100 years from now, Angel, I am still in love with you.
What is it about you?
Sure. I'm still in love. In a relationship, certain people have something to say. Even the mothers, even the uncles, even the aunties too, they have something to say. But one thing we believe in a two-people relationship is love is God and God is love. Baby, I am still in love with you.
Well, in come the thing them call the broken heart. This blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start. I tell them.
Web call.
See ya. Sean Paul and Sasha. Come sing for them, baby.
Condition them.
Oh, you made me holler, oh, you made me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I don't see love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. Dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man.
Mr. Singer.
Still love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
It's a loving from the start, but they know it at the part. That's the way I give my love.
Sure.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gonna do? What a man gonna do?
Shana Paul.
Never have a promise and no bling bling for all a girl. When I just loving when me fling control.
Boys.
Your head swirl, when I make your body twirl, when I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm.
We got the ganja man.
Forget this kind of love.
Sakada.
I know you want your cat, let me just can't perform.
The pharmacy.
I do you get the little loving on me God.
Don't know how to let me.
I know no time for no kissing and chow.
Not even how to kiss me.
I do my take a little advice, star.
I don't know why.
Baby girl.
I love you, baby.
I dirty love.
I'm still in love
Reggae.
with you, boy.
Reggae.
And you know I'm not to say that's dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
We got Mama window.
Understand that the man is just a
You're rich and you know it.
dirty love.
I'm still in love with you,
The
boy.
blessed loving from the start.
Your dollar bill. Stage setter.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in
Yo,
love
what a
with
man gotta do, what a man gotta do.
Chief J. Ray.
So we give back to glove and say bye. But turn around, she ask a question, why? When me leave in me city, girl, I cry. And it hurts my heart to tell a lie. So don't.
Girl, I'm in love with you. Me no stand on your for
Nobody can stop me
you. Got one question for
when it comes to love. You don't want Christopher.
that keeps you on my mind. Is it love? Why I want you all the time? Is it love? Are these feeling signs? Is this love? Real love? The others have searched so hard to find.
Web call.
To bed can't sleep if I not sleep with you. And all the blind can see I'm so damn weak for you. Say something. So your loving sweet, you don't start to speak about.
Easy boss Webby.
Knock me off my feet, now I feel
feel
Mama Chipo.
and I can't live without.
Let's go.
Is it love that keeps you on my mind? Is it love? Why I want you all the time? Is it love? Are these feelings signs? Is this love? Real love? The others I've searched so hard to find. It's elusive, magical, keeps you grooving.
What y'all?
When you really find true love, you will see what your love has done for me.
Yeah, man. All courtesy of the one called Web Call. Judgment Yard in collabo with Web Call. That's how we do it. All conditioning and all fixing. Refrigerator, even carting them. Them there for fixing. Fix. Shot bars alongside the one card forever.
Webcal Air Conditioning is your one-stop shop for all your air conditioning needs. We specialize in commercial, industrial, and residential needs that include fridge repairs, aircon supply and installation for both home and office use, as well as vehicle regassing. We offer a guaranteed, unmatched, professional, and efficient service. All you need to do is simply visit us at number 22 Anthony Avenue, Masasa, Harare. Alternatively, visit, like, and follow us on our Facebook and Twitter pages, or simply call us on 0242 446367 or 74 or 0775 140940, which is also on our WhatsApp platform. Webcal Aircon, your air conditioning specialists.